In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a GIF in Wix step by step using Wix Studio. This is perfect if you want to make your website more engaging, add animated visuals, highlight a call to action, or simply make your design stand out. GIFs work great for buttons, banners, and hero sections, and the best part is that Wix fully supports them. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Wix tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Wix Studio, then log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, open the site where you want to add the GIF. This will take you into the Wix Studio editor, where you can fully customize your pages. Now, look to the left-hand side of the editor and click on Media. This is where Wix stores all of your images, videos, and GIF files. When the Media panel opens, click on My Uploads. This section contains all the files you've already uploaded to your Wix site. Next, click on the Upload button. From here, choose Upload from Computer. This allows you to add a GIF directly from your device. Browse your computer, select the GIF file you want to use, and open it. Wix will now upload the GIF to your media library. Depending on the file size, this may take a few seconds. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your GIF appear inside My Uploads. Click on the GIF to select it, then click on Add to Page. The GIF will instantly be added to your current page. After the GIF is on the page, you can resize it by dragging the corners, reposition it anywhere you like, and align it with other elements on your layout. Wix automatically keeps the animation intact, so there's no extra setting required to make the GIF play. You can also use the Inspector panel to adjust layout, spacing, or responsiveness, so your GIF looks great on desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Before publishing, preview your site to make sure the GIF plays smoothly and fits well with your design. If everything looks good, click Publish to save the changes to your live website. And that's it! You successfully added a GIF in Wix using Wix Studio. GIFs are a simple but powerful way to bring motion and personality to your website. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Wix tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.